Here's a rational expression with imaginary numbers. So in this case, we have to multiply both top and bottom by the complex conjugate, which is going to be the denominator with a switched middle term. Okay, nothing else about the denominator changes. Then we have to FOIL this. So the product of our first two terms is going to be 12. The product of our outer terms is going to be 3i. Then the product of our inner terms is going to be 8i, and the product of our last terms is going to be 2i squared. Now the denominator is always going to factor to a difference of squares, so we're going to have 4 squared minus I squared. Now to simplify this, we can combine like terms. So 12 plus 11i plus 2 times negative 1 over 16 minus I squared is negative 1. Now we can go ahead and further combine like terms. This is going to be 10 plus 11i over 17. And technically, we need to separate the real part from the imaginary part. So this is how your final answer should be written.